Hi, my sweets. Welcome back to my channel today. We're here for something new. This is a company called Joedir. Honey, I don't know how to pronounce it, okay? There's the box. Yes, honey. So, let's get her out of this box. Look at that. She's so pretty. Natural Yaki. So, you get a free wig cap from the box. Look at that beautiful hair, you guys. Oh, my God. It's so pretty. All right, so this is our lace parting area up here. It looks very good. The lace is soft and it blends in with my skin. So cap construction, we got 2 combs off to either side. And again, I missed the one in the middle. We do have a comb in the back. And it also has the adjustable straps, extra durability. And again, you get 3 combs up there at the top because again, I missed the one in the middle. Does come with baby hairs. She's very soft Yaki. It feels like a brand new blowout. It feels so beautiful. Let's try her on before I cut that lace off. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Yes. She is very pretty. Let me comb her out here. Not a lot of tangling, but, you know, putting a wig on, you got to comb her out. Look at how pretty that is. Look at the scalp, okay? Yes, that blends in so beautiful with my skin. And I love my little new brush that I got. Yes, detangle, honey. Look at that. It looks really good. I got to take these glasses off, honey, so y'all can see. That ear to ear is beautiful. I love how it's tapered around the ear. Yes. Let's check out the other side. Other side looks good as well. I just got that. It's folded up under there, but it's there. Look at how good that looks, you guys. Yes. And against my skin. So let's see. You can part her a couple different ways. I'm just kind of fingering it right now without making an actual part in the middle or part in the side. You do have a little bit of real estate up there to do some stuff. So I'll have to see how I want to wear her. So I just wanted to show you the scalp up there. Really pretty. Now, once I did all that, I did get some tangling. So you're going to see me get my little brush here and get all that tangling out. And it did not take much to get the tangling out. This is an all synthetic wig, but I'm in love. It's so pretty and so soft. It feels like my hair used to feel. Okay, honey, without all these damn perms. Now look at all that body in the bag. Yes, honey, there's no gaps, no nothing. Okay. Looks like I grew this out of my scalp, okay? Now, excuse my big ass, but it goes down to my tush. It is 24 inches long. Yes. So, let's see what we working with. Hi, my sweets. Welcome back to my channel today. Welcome all my brand new subscribers, all my subscribers that's been rocking with me from the beginning. I appreciate you guys so much. Blessings, blessings, blessings. For the people that clicked on this thumbnail, I hope you think about subscribing at the link below. And now let's jump right into this video. Okay, so this one is called, I think is Joedir. Okay, they be trying to have all these old fancy ass names. Joedir galore. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it, okay? But y'all seen it. This is the tag that came off it. This is however you pronounce it. But honey, this beautiful synthetic wig, okay? Natural black, honey. This is gorgeous. I didn't know if I was going to like it. But when I seen it, I was like, let me try it. I was like, ooh, okay. Taking her out the pack, I said she's full. She feels good. She's very soft. She's versatile. I said, okay, I can work with this, honey. Ew. Yes. Let's get into the specs of these wigs, y'all. Okay, so Joedir, or however, like I said, you pronounce it. She is 24 inches, a Yaki straight, a free part of 13 by 4 lace frontal. She does come with baby hairs. She is a synthetic wig, as I said, and she is heat resistant. She's 180% density, and she does come in other colors. Now, the lace frontal, they have two different ones. They got a 4x4 simulated scalp, but I got the 13x4 lace frontal. So this one doesn't give me a lot of real estate for, I will show you in a scroll over here. It doesn't give me a lot of real estate to do the braids like it shows on the model. I'm thinking the other one gives you the more real estate in order to do that. So if you want to have more space to play with, I suggest you get the other one. So the cap circumference is a 21.5 to 23, and she does come in other colors. Like I said, this is the natural black. She also have a ombre brown and an ombre red. Wonder what that's looking like. Okay. And she is 24 inches, as I said. Now she does, you can put heat on her up to 180 degrees or 356 Fahrenheit. So I did use her, put a little bit of heat on her to kind of do these sides over here and just a little bit of heat up here. So it didn't burn the hair. So, but I mean, I kept it at the point to where they told me to keep it at, because I didn't want my shit burnt out. Okay. So on here, it also says something about a smell. I know with some wigs that come from over in China, they do have a smell to it, but this didn't have any smell. No smell at all. It smelled really good and it feels really good. It's super soft. So they do say if it does come with the smell, because it's been sitting in the factory, to put some warm water on it and wash it before wearing. But like I said, mine was fine. It didn't come with the smell. So, I mean, just letting y'all know. So there was a couple ways that I'm going to show you guys over here on the scroll that I styled her. So I didn't do a middle part because that's just not, I don't like middle parts that much. I like side parts. So I did do a side part and that came out really pretty. And then I did this little number right here. But like I said, there's not a lot of real estate up there because I really wanted this to go back a little bit further. It's not a lot of real estate at the top because then you're getting into the tracks. Okay. Besides my ponytail up here, everything up under that is tracks. But I'm going to come turn around. I hope y'all was able to see that. But I mean, there's no gaps, there's no nothing, so which is great. I mean, the wig is beautiful. I don't have any cons for y'all. Well, I take that back. I wish there was more real estate at the top. I mean, one con. I mean, whatever. Like I said, there is, I may get the simulated scalp in the next color and see if that gives me the more real estate to do what I want to do. But besides that, you guys, this is beautiful. You can wear this every day. I mean, yeah, I don't know what else to tell you, but it's a beautiful wig. And y'all know if I didn't like it, I'll be like, oh, hell no. Maybe you like it, but I didn't. Okay. This is my coin I'm spending, okay? But this is really pretty. So I hope you guys like this little review. I just wanted to bring something different to you guys other than Kayla's. But that's my brand though. That's my brand though. I ain't gonna say nothing because I got another one coming that's new from Kayla's too. Okay, so watch for that. So if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And until next time, my sweets, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.